Welcome back. Today we're diving into the top 10 free hacking tools used by cybersecurity pros worldwide. These tools can scan networks, crack passwords, and test web apps. But remember, they're for ethical and educational use only. Grab your notepad and let's jump into the world of ethical hacking. First up is Nmap, a tool that has become legendary in the world of cybersecurity and network administration. If you've ever wondered how professionals map out entire networks, identify vulnerabilities, or simply keep tabs on what's connected to their systems, Nmap is almost always the answer. It's a free, open-source utility that's as powerful as it is versatile, and it's trusted by everyone from hobbyists to Fortune 500 companies. Often called the Swiss Army knife of network scanning, Nmap can do far more than just ping devices. It's capable of probing entire networks, identifying live hosts, and even fingerprinting operating systems and services. Whether you're troubleshooting a network issue or conducting a security audit, Nmap gives you the detailed insights you need. With just a single command, you can uncover every device, open port, and running service on your network. Nmap's output is clear and comprehensive, showing you which machines are online, what software they're running, and which ports are accessible. This makes it invaluable for both network inventory and security monitoring. But Nmap doesn't stop at basic scanning. Its powerful scripting engine, known as NSE, lets you automate a huge range of tasks. You can run vulnerability checks, brute force passwords, detect malware, and even perform advanced reconnaissance, all with scripts that are easy to customize or download from the community. This flexibility means you can tailor Nmap to fit almost any scenario, from quick scans to deep dives into network security. For those who prefer a visual approach, there's Nmap, Nmap's official graphical interface. Nmap makes it easy to build and save complex scans, visualize network topologies, and interpret results with intuitive graphs and charts. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn, or for pros who need to present findings to clients or colleagues. Whether you're just starting out in cybersecurity or you're a seasoned professional, Nmap is an essential tool for network reconnaissance. Its user-friendly design and extensive documentation mean you can get started quickly, but its depth ensures you'll keep discovering new features as your skills grow. Nmap is fast, lightweight, and works seamlessly across every major operating system: Windows, Mac, Linux, and even some mobile platforms. Its efficiency means you can scan large networks in minutes, and its portability lets you take your toolkit anywhere. Once you try Nmap, you'll never see your network the same way again. It opens your eyes to the hidden details and potential risks lurking in your digital environment, empowering you to take control, secure your systems, and truly understand the landscape you're working with. Nmap isn't just a tool, it's a gateway to mastering your network. Next is Metasploit Framework, the ultimate penetration testing toolkit. It's packed with exploits and payloads, letting you simulate real-world attacks and test defenses. Metasploit integrates with tools like Nmap, so you can scan, find vulnerabilities, and launch exploits all in one place. It's beginner-friendly, but always get permission before testing any network. Use Metasploit to strengthen your security, not break it. At number 3 on our list, we have Wireshark, the ultimate tool for anyone who wants to truly understand what's happening on their network. Imagine being able to see every single packet of data as it travels across your network in real time. That's exactly what Wireshark lets you do. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional, a network administrator, or just a curious learner, Wireshark opens up a world of information that's usually hidden from view. With its live packet capture feature, you can watch the flow of data as it happens, spotting patterns, anomalies, or even potential threats as they emerge. What makes Wireshark so powerful is its ability to break down complex network data into human-readable information. Instead of staring at endless streams of raw binary or hexadecimal code, you get clear, organized details about each packet, where it's coming from, where it's going, what protocol it's using, and what kind of data it contains. This makes it perfect for tracking down suspicious activity, diagnosing network slowdowns, or troubleshooting connectivity issues. You can see exactly which devices are talking to each other, what they're saying, and when. One of Wireshark's standout features is its incredibly powerful filtering system. With just a few clicks, you can zero in on exactly the type of traffic you want to analyze, whether that's HTTP requests, DNS lookups, failed login attempts, or even specific conversations between two devices. This means you don't have to sift through thousands of irrelevant packets. Instead, you can focus your attention on the data that matters most to your investigation or troubleshooting task. Wireshark isn't just for professionals, it's also a fantastic educational tool. In classrooms and training labs around the world, students use Wireshark to learn how network protocols work, how data moves across the internet, and how different devices communicate. By visualizing real network traffic, learners can see abstract concepts come to life, making it much easier to understand the fundamentals of networking and cybersecurity. Another huge advantage is that Wireshark is completely free and open source. It runs on all major operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux, so you can use it no matter what kind of computer you have. Installation is straightforward, and there's a massive community of users and experts online who can help you get started or solve any problems you encounter. If you've ever wanted to play the role of a network detective, tracking down threats, uncovering hidden issues, or simply exploring the invisible world of data that powers our digital lives, Wireshark is the tool for you. With its unmatched visibility, powerful features, and supportive community, Wireshark truly earns its place as the network traffic detective. Meet John the Ripper, the go-to password cracker for security pros. It cracks password hashes using brute force, dictionaries, and more, supporting hundreds of hash types. With customizable word lists and rules, you can simulate real-world attacks and audit password strength. It's open source, fast, and works locally or distributed. Only use John the Ripper on passwords you have permission to test. Time to go wireless with Aircrack-ng, the top tool for Wi-Fi security testing. Capture packets, analyze them, and attempt to crack Wi-Fi encryption keys. It's a full suite for monitoring, attacking, and strengthening wireless protocols like WPA2. Open source and cross-platform, it's perfect for learning Wi-Fi security. Only use Aircrack-ng on networks you own or have permission to test. Hydra is the king of brute force attacks for services like SSH, FTP, and HTTP. Feed it custom word lists and target specific protocols to test login strength. It's fast, flexible, and great for finding weak spots in your own systems. Brute force attacks are noisy, so use Hydra in controlled, authorized environments. Always get permission before testing. Burp Suite Community Edition is a favorite for web app security testing. Intercept and analyze traffic between your browser and a website to find vulnerabilities like XSS and SQL injection. Its proxy and repeater tools make manual testing easy and insightful. The Intercept feature lets you tweak requests and uncover hidden bugs. Use Burp Suite only on sites you own or have explicit permission to test. Nikto is a powerful open-source tool designed specifically for scanning web servers and uncovering potential security risks. It works by probing web servers for thousands of known vulnerabilities, including dangerous files, outdated software versions, and misconfigurations that could leave your site exposed to attackers. Nikto's database is regularly updated, ensuring it can detect the latest threats and provide relevant results. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional or just starting out, Nikto offers a straightforward way to assess your server's defenses. With just a single command in your terminal, Nikto quickly scans your web server and generates a comprehensive report. This report highlights any vulnerabilities it finds, such as outdated software, insecure scripts, or configuration errors, giving you a clear overview of your server's security posture. The results are easy to interpret, making it simple to prioritize and address the most critical issues first. Nikto is known for its speed and ease of use. It's perfect for quick audits, regular security checks, or as part of a larger vulnerability assessment process. Even if you're new to cybersecurity, Nikto's straightforward interface and detailed output make it accessible and effective. Security professionals around the world rely on Nikto to catch vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them. By integrating Nikto into your regular security routine, you can stay one step ahead and ensure your web servers remain protected. Nikto is also a fantastic learning tool for anyone interested in web security. It helps students and beginners understand common vulnerabilities and how to identify them in real-world environments, making it an essential resource for building foundational skills. Remember, always use Nikto responsibly. Only scan servers that you own or have explicit permission to test. Ethical hacking is about improving security, not causing harm. SQLmap is the go-to tool for finding and exploiting SQL injection flaws. Just provide a URL, and SQLmap automates the detection and testing process. It can extract data, test different databases, and bypass filters. SQLmap is open source and beginner-friendly. Only use it on systems you own or have explicit permission to test. Last up is the Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET, for testing the human side of security. Simulate phishing, fake websites, and credential harvesting to train and test awareness. SET is highly customizable and always up to date with the latest attack techniques. It's essential for security awareness training and penetration testing. Always use SET responsibly and only with full permission. That's our whirlwind tour of the top 10 free hacking tools. Remember, use them ethically and responsibly. If you learned something new, like, comment, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Stay curious, stay ethical, and see you in the next video.